I am Freddy.
Hi, I'm at Chef Reddy's restaurant here in Ifate, Madagascar. And they're taking me back here. They're cooking up my lobster. And, look at all this fresh produce here. And let's see, which lobster is it here? Oh, there it is. Okay, here we go. Oh my God, look at that. This is fresh lobster today from the sea. And this is what's going to be in my stomach later. It's going to go from here to here. Chef Reddy, where did you get this out at sea today?
Yeah, this is today.
Yeah, today. Fresh catch from today. Look at that too. Look at that fresh fish.
This is calamari and fish.
Which one is that? Which one is calamari? Oh yeah, that's calamari.
Yeah.
And that's fish. Oh wow, that's fantastic. This looks so good. And it's being grilled and everything right there. Wow, this is so fantastic. Okay, let's go. And what are they making over here?
Fried potatoes.
Oh,
yeah.
like fried potatoes.
This is fried potatoes.
Okay. And what about over here? And this is aubergines?
Yeah, aubergine.
Oh wow, that looks really, really good. And what is he making here?
What is this one? Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. Wow, fantastic. Okay, great. And then over here we got this other fresh produce and everything. So I'm in my first Madagascaran kitchen here, and looking forward to eating the lobster here. So we're gonna just come on out here. All right, thank you, chef. All right, and we're at this restaurant here, which I'm just gonna show you around that we're eating. It's kind of made here for tourists, but it's all good. And there's the name, Chef Freddy Village, Chef Freddy's restaurant here. Chef Freddy. Looks yummy. It's gonna be really good. So walking back to my table here with my group. It's my group out there in the distance. So gonna have a good lobster dinner, and I'll take a little shot of that here in a little bit. All right, later.